What is good, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another vlog. We are here with our first mod. The first mod has been added, which is, can you guess, the window tint. The window tint has been added, so I have 25% on the front windshield. I wanted to go 50% at first, between 40 to 50%, based on the Silverstone seats. Now, once light bounces off of these seats, the tint is basically useless without the front windshield being tinted or it being around 40 to 50%. So I did 25% on the, I did 20% on the front windshield. Then on the sides, like the M4, I did 15% on all the doors and the rear windshield. Now, this is all ceramic. I found a guy who did it for 300. Everything 300. I took an Audi Q3 to him, and he did it for 220 without the front windshield. That was Texas legal limit. So all ceramic. I don't think this is nano ceramic, but honestly I don't really care. As long as it's dark. I didn't really want carbon because I didn't want the tint to fade, but this is what it looks like on the outside. As you can see, look, this is how it looks on the inside. Boom. Let's let the light go off first so you can see. See, it basically keeps it really, and then the windshield, the sunroof is also factory. I don't know what this is. It's probably like 25, but it's factory. But let me show you guys what it looks like from the outside. See all that clarity right there. So this is what it looks like on the outside. You can't see anything on the inside unless light hits it the correct way. But it's basically black on black now. Blacked out. Let me come around the side. Alright, I had to let somebody get in their car, and it's still kind of awkward vlogging and holding the camera in my hand. But, alright, so here it is from the side. I closed the sunroof so you can't even see, for real. You can see it because the light is bouncing from that side into the car. So it's still tolerable. Now, at nighttime, it's kind of crazy because the trees are like dark. If you're looking into a dark area that's not lit, you can't. It's like a real tint to it. But you can see the headrest, being that the light is bouncing off the Silverstone seats. I think it's a pretty good. It's at a good level basically. I didn't really want people to be able to see me inside, and you can't really see me inside. And even if you can, you just see shapes, not like the actual person. But now it's basically blacked out. I'm loving it though. I'm loving it. I'm gonna get wheels, like I said. I'm gonna get lowering springs. So yeah, we're gonna do all that. But we do have another mod here with us. So I live in Texas now. I live in Houston, and with Houston, these people, well, in Texas, honestly, they drive pretty aggressive. Yeah, so they drive pretty aggressive, and I was like, okay, let me go ahead and get me a dash cam. Started researching all these dash cams, and I got the Vantrue dash cam. Now this is the hardwiring kit. Okay, got it. Let's go ahead and unbox. There we go. So first we have the main camera. It's actually kind of pretty big. I'm not gonna lie, this is pretty big. So I have an iPhone 12 Pro. This is what it looks like compared to the iPhone 12 Pro when it comes to height. Yeah, it's kind of long. I'm not gonna lie. So this is the interior cabin right here. This is the front windshield camera. And then this is the rear. Pull the rear out for you all. There you go. And then this is the rear. The rear shoots 1080p. I'm not sure how I was gonna shoot with the back windshield being 15%. So the quality might not be the best. This shoots 4K if I'm not mistaken, and this shoots 1080p. But yeah, other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and wire it up and give y'all an update from there. Alright, so it's the next day. I had to get some tools to pry open some stuff, but we have officially installed the dash cam. Let me show y'all. So it's hardwired into the car. So front facing cameras on this side, rear facing, well, inside the cabin is on this side, and then the rear facing cameras on that side. So everything's hardwired. I hardwired it into the fuse box that's underneath the dash over there. I routed it through the pillar, the A-pillar. I think that's the A-pillar. And then I routed it all the way up, all through the back, and then I tucked it into the rear tail, the brake light box up there. But other than that, I will say it was a bit of work. Popping off these things, these tabs and stuff like that. I broke a couple tabs, honestly. They're not that strong, but other than that, I'll let y'all know how this dash cam thing goes. So yeah, this hardwiring kit, I had to order it separately from Amazon. It was like $20. They have it on TikTok Shop as well. I ordered the dash cam off of TikTok Shop. It was cheaper on TikTok Shop than Amazon. Even with like the little discounts and stuff like that, like coupons you get from TikTok, it was still like $2.90 something after all those discounts and coupons. The hardwiring kit separately was $20, and then you have to buy a memory card separately as well. It goes up to 512 gigabytes, but after I ordered a memory card, and then you can't use it without the memory card. I've done all my settings and stuff like that, so I'm not really feeling this placement. It's kind of big, and I didn't really want it to be in the way, but it kind of still is in the way. Like I wanted it to be like kind of hidden in a sense, but I guess we'll see how it works out. Other than that, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, and follow me on TikTok too for more frequently updated content on the car and life.